Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In this video, we're diving into a super practical topic, how to write a permission letter for a farewell party. Farewell parties are a wonderful way to celebrate achievements and bid goodbye to graduating students, but organizing one in a formal setting, like a school, often requires official approval. That's where a permission letter comes into play. I'll guide you step by step through the sample letter, explaining what each section does and how you can tailor it to your needs. Let's get started. Step 1. The header. The first thing you'll include in your letter is the header, which contains the sender's details. In this case, it's Sarah Thompson, Event Coordinator, Green Valley High School, 8742, Meadow Lane, Phoenix, Arizona, 85004. Phone 602-555-4267. Email sarah.thompson@gvhs.edu. This information is vital because it tells the recipient, here the principal, who's writing the letter, their role, and how to contact them. If you're representing a group, like a student council or an event committee, make sure your title reflects that. Adding contact information like a phone number and email ensures that the recipient can easily reach out with questions or clarifications. Step 2. The date. Next is the date, December 15th, 2024. The date is a small but critical detail. It helps track when the request was made, which can be useful for scheduling or follow-ups. Step 3. Recipient's information. After the date, include the recipient's details. Mr. Robert Davis, Principal, Green Valley High School, 8742 Meadow Lane, Phoenix, Arizona, 85004. This section ensures the letter is addressed to the correct person. Double-check the spelling of their name and title. It shows respect and attention to detail. If the principal has a specific designation, like head administrator, use that instead. Step 4. Subject line. Now we move to the subject line. Request for permission to host a farewell party. A good subject line is brief but informative. It lets the recipient know exactly what the letter is about before they even start reading. In this case, it's clear that the letter is about requesting approval for a farewell party. Step 5. Salutation. The salutation is simple, but sets the tone for your letter. In this case, Dear Mr. Davis, always use a formal greeting, especially in professional or academic settings. If you're unsure of the recipient's title, it's safer to use their full name, like Dear Robert Davis. Step 6. The introduction. Let's look at the opening paragraph. I am writing to seek your permission to organize a farewell party for the graduating class of 2024. The event is planned to be held on Friday, December 22nd, 2024, in the school auditorium from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. This paragraph is concise and gets straight to the point. It answers 3 key questions. 1. What are you requesting? Permission to host a farewell party. 2. Who is it for? The graduating class of 2024. 3. When and where will it take place? On December 22nd, 2024, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the school auditorium. When writing your introduction, make sure these details are clear. It saves the recipient from having to ask for basic information. Step 7. The purpose. The next paragraph explains why the event is important. The farewell party will provide an opportunity to celebrate the achievements of our graduating students and express gratitude to the teachers and staff who have supported them throughout their academic journey. We have planned a program that includes speeches, light refreshments, and entertainment, all aimed at creating a memorable and respectful event. Here, you're emphasizing the significance of the event. Notice how it highlights 2 things. 1. Celebrating the students' achievements. This shows that the event has a meaningful purpose. 2. Expressing gratitude to staff. Including this makes the event feel inclusive and thoughtful. When describing your event, use positive and respectful language to convey its value. Step 8. Reassurance. Now, The letter provides reassurance about the event's organization. We assure you that all arrangements will adhere to the school's policies and guidelines. Furthermore, student volunteers and staff members will supervise the event to ensure safety and discipline. This is a key part of any permission letter. The recipient needs to know that the event will be conducted responsibly. Mentioning supervision and adherence to policies shows that you've thought through the logistics and are committed to maintaining order. If your event involves sensitive details, like catering or decorations, briefly mention how these will comply with rules. Step 9. Request for approval. The next section explicitly asks for permission. I kindly request your approval for this event. Please let me know if you require additional details or have specific instructions regarding the arrangements. It's always good to be direct but polite when asking for approval. Offering to provide additional details shows that you're open to feedback and willing to collaborate on the planning. Step 10. Contact information. The letter then reiterates the sender's contact details. You can reach me at 602 555 4267 or via email at sarah.thompson@gvhs.edu. Including this ensures that the recipient knows how to get in touch for follow-ups. Make sure your phone number and email are professional and up to date. Step 11. The closing. Finally, the letter closes on a positive note. Thank you for considering this request. I look forward to your favorable response. This closing is polite and optimistic. It expresses gratitude, which leaves a good impression and shows confidence in receiving approval. Step 12. Signature. The letter ends with a formal signature, sincerely. Signature, Sarah Thompson, Event Coordinator, Green Valley High School. The closing, sincerely, is a classic choice for professional letters. Don't forget to include your title and organization to reinforce your role. And there you have it, a detailed breakdown of a permission letter for a farewell party. Letters like these are all about clarity, respect, and professionalism. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to writing tutorials for more step-by-step writing advice. If there's a specific type of letter you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.